Righty, let's get this thing to focus. Here we go. It's a Pono MT, stands for mahogany tenor, satin version, so it's not the gloss finish. All solid Honduran mahogany, front, back and sides. Solid rosewood, fingerboard, head plate, bridge, and bone nut and saddle. It's got a Pono passive pickup installed, and that was installed by the folks at Hawaii Music Supply, which is where this instrument was purchased and shipped to Australia around 2014, maybe 2013. But it's been kept in a hard shell case with a humidifier ever since then, so it's in pretty good nick for an instrument that's been played fairly often for the past 5-6 years. It's currently tuned low G with some strings by Diodario, but sounds equally as good with high G. It's just a preference of mine to play with low G. Open geared Grover tuners, and yeah, that's really all there is to it. Some sound samples. Bit out of tune, but that's because I just restrung. But very easy to play. You'll set up quite well, backed by those who sent them over. There's also a truss rod located in here, and you can adjust the relief of the neck using that and an Allen key, which I'll provide. But yeah, super easy to play. Nice mellow tone, beautiful instrument. Sad to see it go.